Njengoba izwe libhekene nezinga eliphezulu lokwentuleka kwemisebenzi, undunankulu waseGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi uthi umnotho waselokishini uyigolide elisha lesifundazwe.
Remember, we are a province that was based on gold. That gold is gone, and the new gold is townships. You've got the demographics there, the numbers are huge. There are a lot of people in the townships, and townships are prospering in terms of creating new business ideas.
eProudly SA ithi hlose ukuqhakambisa izimpahla ezikhiqizwa kuleli ngenhloso yokukhulisa imisebenzi yasekhaya.
If you buy a product made in China, you are effectively creating jobs in that economy. And the last one is to promote accessibility of locally made products and services. So all of these entities, all of these sectors of society who then choose to heed our call to buy local.
uNgqongqoshe Wezohwebo, Izimboni Nezokuncintisana uthi izinkampani ezizimele kufanele zihlangane ukuze ziqoqe izigidigidi zamarandi kufukulwe umnotho wakuleli.
We need to get the private sector as a whole to embrace that. And so we met with Busa and Kusatu and Naktu and Fedusa in 2020. And after a few months of engagement, we landed an agreement, a commitment by all of these social partners to work together on a localization accord.
Lengqungquthela ibukise ngemikhiqizo engaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezine namakhulu amabili. Lo mkhankaso unxusa abantu baseningizimu Afrika ukuthi bathenge imikhiqizo eyenziwe kuleli.